If you're over 60 and waking up with stabbing pain in your legs, or your calves cramp up just from walking across the room, this might be the most important video you watch this year. Because the real cause of your leg cramps isn't just aging, it's what you're eating or not eating. But today, I'll show you 3 everyday foods proven to stop leg cramps and help rebuild your leg strength, so you can walk confidently, sleep peacefully, and feel 20 years younger. Leg cramps don't just hurt, they steal your peace, your sleep, and your confidence. For millions of seniors, those painful spasms aren't just an inconvenience. They're a warning sign. Your body is begging for nutrients, and if you ignore it, your mobility, your balance, and your independence could slip away faster than you think. But here's the good news. The solution is already in your kitchen. And today, we're breaking down the top 3 superfoods that are scientifically proven to stop leg cramps and rebuild strong, reliable legs after 60. So stay with me, because food is your new medicine, and these 3 choices might change your life. Food number 1, bananas, the potassium powerhouse. Let's start with one of the most underestimated foods for seniors, the humble banana. You see, bananas are loaded with potassium, a mineral your muscles depend on to contract and relax smoothly. But here's the catch. As we age, we lose potassium more easily, especially if we take blood pressure medications or diuretics. And that leads to painful cramps and weak legs. One of our subscribers, Nancy, 68 years old, told us she used to wake up 3 to 4 times a week with leg cramps so bad, they'd bring her to tears. Once she added a banana a day to her breakfast, alongside a few almonds, those cramps virtually disappeared in 2 weeks. Pro tip, eat your banana in the morning. Even better, blend it into a smoothie with spinach and Greek yogurt for a powerful combo of potassium, magnesium, and protein. You'll start noticing less stiffness, fewer spasms, and stronger, more relaxed legs within days. Food number 2, sweet potatoes, the anti-cramp carb. Next up, the sweet potato. And no, this isn't just a healthy starch. Sweet potatoes are a triple threat for leg health. They're packed with magnesium, potassium, and calcium, the 3 most important minerals your muscles need to avoid cramping. Quick science bite. Magnesium helps your nerves and muscles communicate. Potassium balances fluid and helps your muscles contract. Calcium triggers muscle movement. Sweet potatoes have all 3. James, a 72-year-old retired firefighter, told us that switching from white bread and pasta to roasted sweet potatoes not only stopped his muscle cramps, but actually improved his walking endurance. Easy fix. Try baking a sweet potato with a little olive oil and cinnamon, or mash it as a side dish to your dinner. It's delicious, satisfying, and exactly what your legs need. Now, we've covered 2 powerful foods already. But the third one is the most surprising, and it might be missing from your plate entirely. It's the one that improves blood flow, relaxes tense muscles, and strengthens your legs from the inside out. Stick with me, because if you're not eating this, you could be setting yourself up for more pain than you realize. Food number 3, leafy greens, the strength builders. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, these leafy greens aren't just rabbit food. For seniors, they're leg-saving superfoods. Why? They're packed with magnesium and calcium. Yes, but they also contain natural nitrates that improve blood circulation. Poor circulation is one of the hidden causes of leg cramps. It limits oxygen flow to your muscles and starves them of the nutrients they need. That's why seniors who eat greens regularly tend to have stronger legs and better mobility. Margaret, age 75, used to need a walker just to get to the mailbox. After adding leafy greens to lunch and dinner, her circulation improved so much that her doctor noticed stronger leg pulses, and she can now walk unassisted. Pro tip, sauté spinach or kale in olive oil with garlic, or toss a handful of greens into your soup or morning eggs. Cooked greens are gentler on digestion and more bioavailable to your body. Now, these 3 foods are your foundation, but here are a few quick tips to supercharge their effects. Hydrate smarter. Add a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon to your water. This balances your electrolytes and prevents spasms. Stretch before bed. Just 3 to 5 minutes of gentle calf and hamstring stretches at night can stop midnight cramps. Review medications. Diuretics, statins, and some heart meds deplete magnesium and potassium. Talk to your doctor about safe supplements. If this video is helping you, here's something important. At Nitro Wellness, we create videos just like this every single week to help people over 60 live longer, move stronger, and feel younger. So if you want natural solutions to joint pain, leg strength, better sleep, and more, click that subscribe button now. It's completely free, and it helps us keep bringing you powerful, life-changing content like this. Go ahead, click subscribe now, then let's finish strong with our final recap. So let's bring it all together. 1. Bananas. Relax your muscles with potassium and stop sudden spasms. 2. Sweet potatoes. Flood your body with magnesium, calcium, and potassium to stop cramps before they start. 3. Leafy greens. Increase circulation and deliver the minerals your muscles desperately need after 60. When you eat these 3 foods consistently, you give your body the exact fuel it needs to stay strong, steady, and pain-free. So whether you want to sleep through the night without leg cramps, or walk without wincing, or just feel more confident and independent, these foods are your first step. Thanks for watching, and remember, your strongest, healthiest years can still be ahead of you. You just have to feed your body the right way.